In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your Google Sheets to everyone in just 5 minutes. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just need to share your data with a wider audience, this quick and straightforward process will get the job done. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Google Sheet that you want to share. This is the document that contains all the data you want others to access. Once you have your sheet open and ready, let's head over to the top right corner of the window, where you'll find the Share button. This button is your gateway to setting up the sharing options for your document. When you click on the Share button, a window will pop up that contains the sharing settings. In this window, look for the section labeled General Access. This is where you control who can see your document. By default, this setting is usually on Restricted, meaning that only specific people you invite can view or edit your sheet. To change this, click the down arrow next to the Restricted setting. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with different options. From these options, select Anyone with the link. This change will allow anyone who possesses the link to access your Google Sheet. Now, you need to choose the role or level of access you want to grant to anyone with the link. You have 3 options here: Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If you choose Viewer, people with the link can only view the document. If you select Commenter, they will be able to view and leave comments. And if you opt for Editor, they can make changes to the entire sheet. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've decided on the access level, it's time to get the shareable link. Find the Copy Link button and click on it. By doing this, you copy the link to your clipboard, ready to be shared with others. After copying the link, go ahead and click Done to close the sharing settings window. Now, all that's left is to share the link. Paste this link into an email, a text message, or even a document. Whatever method works best for you. By sharing the link, you're allowing others to access your Google Sheet according to the settings you've chosen, and with that, you've just given access to your Google Sheet to everyone who needs it. This simple yet powerful feature of Google Sheets makes collaboration a breeze, enabling you to work with colleagues, friends, or anyone, regardless of their location. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.